Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is the second day of the wrap. So now we got the car like this. We wrapped a little bit of the car so far, not too much. We got the car in pieces. We wrapped this, the hood. Oh, you guys seen that. The roof is wrapped. And we also wrapped the trunk and tinted the taillights so far. And what else? Now we're just tackling on the front end, basically the second fender. We'll probably do this body work on this side when I get a chance and just go from there. So we did this fender also. That now we're gonna tackle the bumper. So I'm gonna just probably like clean this up, probably take the grill out and start. So halfamillautos. I'm back. This is well, I don't even know how many days we've been working on this Infiniti G37, but I'm like, it's a Sunday today, let me just come out today, come out the house and start messing with the G37. So right now, this is how far we got, and I took the bumper off and I did the body work on the right quarter panel. So I'm gonna show you guys what we have here so far, the bumper off, and this is the completed, almost like 3/4 completed car. We finished this, me and my boy Diz, he helped me out. So far we got the rocker panel left down there. Sorry about that noise from car wash over there. This is the body work that I did over here on this quarter panel. So today I'm gonna try to get something done. I forgot about this. Seeing that done also. So far is this door basically primed and body worked on this door also because it was damaged. See how that comes out. Roof wrap. So we're gonna get into it right now.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight.
for tonight. I just finished the quarter panel. It's coming out good. Now it's looking like something. Ooh, looking like something. Just finished the quarter. It's looking good. It's looking good. So far, so good. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Herbie with halfamillautos. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and check us out if you like what you see. Don't mind the dirty shop in the back, all these cars, but today we're gonna finish up this G37. Finally, my boy Diz pulled up. He's gonna help me out and finish the G37 right now. He is cleaning the G37 left side so we can finish it and complete it. As you can see, the RV is no longer with us. I had to get rid of the RV. There was some people complaining. I don't know who, but some people complained that it was too big. And I'm new to the shop, so I'm just gonna be the nice guy. So I ran it back through the auction, and hopefully I get what I paid for it. So long, RV. But besides that, man, we working. We got this so far. So far, so good. So that's how it looks. We finished this quarter. All that's left is the back bumper and the quarter and the two doors on the driver's side. So far, so good.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Won't you talk to me?
Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is where we at so far. For today, we had a hard time getting this door handle off due to stripping the screws. But so far, so good. We finished this one door. Finished this one. And we're doing this one. The body work on this one is not all of that, but whatever. So this is the quarter panel piece that we have left. Probably gonna finish that up today. And that's about it. So far, so good. Look at this, getting ready to work. So far, so good. Progress, today's progress on the G37 project. Looking good so far. So, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna finish this up. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Here's my Instagram. Boom. Peace.